Moya ngakatam, Mosha ngakatam, Babarar Chabijan along, Mosha ngaka star near the Kola, Mosha star is fine, Chabijan along. Bajoni yen and Mala Indial, Elerka Male, Moya ngakatam in Bengarar, Barar Kawan and it's just a question again, ko Medan. Channel along channel will live na mana on 20 mana on 15 ko wala me on 15 wala me channel will live na on 15 kwa ile question wala me ka on 15 court ya wadi na yene ko ni ndong cha court ya gushingan court kai ne tila ramago am che share kana and wo on court ya wadi and wo ngare cha ga no ka court kan dial kan dambaro plus one hit ka no ka court tiram che je ka je. So jira ma ci bana wala mata karama tika good news ka jen court ka tika wannan detail to go ka court dungana please there you share ka ngako de kula right in run de right in run ko wala me jaba bilong wala me ko yo ngandor makata jila lo right in block. So tira mo ga ma chene je ka jube tira mo ga ma chene je ka masin na ka unan court wadi ta goro na won mata ka message mi shaje mo yan ka tam mata ka message mi shaje yan tanas ka ku court ga na kon ga no worti kon nin ta ka jube ka no worti kon cha yan mata ka good information ti shaje ka court yen ko jen court lip kon ba ga no ka court ke sha ga bi no ka court. So ngan tilo information to go to channel kai bi merete so ba joni ye min channel min an ka headlight channel na wona ne ga sha gwandi da chana jona ne ko na ko kara ko je tem ya je ko court ko na biya ko lun so je ne je no ta ka cha gor so but tingane shwara wo to chelar je wo ma ka ma che wala ke wo che to kane wala I'm not sure again ande lar no anything full good information about this court today and wala me tilo go am che je che kun tin changa na radio tamazi kai kun min che je ka ai radio dung yo na ko ki dollar maya na ka jiba bo dollar maya juba che ta juba mu di che ma dollar kane wika dollar che tore che ma dollar euro dollar che mai le doch che won ya la long yo ye kum labo ayu njoro dollar che raja ka ayu ko kum so bot ke ba Uganda wote ke woni ne de non ta yar de bo ne je joro dollar gwais ke je wo donga ba bo Uganda dollar so kwan live no woni ne dollar ba bo Uganda ba longa jo Uganda ke be moya nga ke tam ke be yu ke be masabani josh no won dollar ba josh masabani ke be masabani josh kana kir ke so jen joro dollar jen to kurun ta de me shu kurna re loka chere me she kun yo chiro mere kansala ngode ko te detail to go en wona ne ga che ji ai wo che ka ju ke no cha ka ju ji ai wo ngode ka ne wa ya me ngode tele good information but yene je go ko ngan te bi mer te ga good information ti jere loka ka nya ndo ka le mi nan ka elin ka che ker le te ni wan ti lat ka ga lu ka le ku che ne te ba but ka je goro ba ten che pe ko tan nin ta to mi nan so wala me che chu che lat ke two shift che chu ka ta fa wa ka shift ke je go ran binala dor makiri tarangash so ngan min tare loka ngode ta ka information re jikan ba re ta top re jikan mo ta tom so dong bata ka news ba aman re pan ga dong bata ka news ba so baden wona ne ngum chiro lel chai bi mer ke je go no be no mo go arun kane mola bugur no wale ka lor pan kane wala ka lor bat ba lor arun ka run ta ka show ni bo nyo lel ba ka TikTok so ta ka show bo tin ka TikTok run dan to tin ne yana ba kula go ra go ka ngu mi chiro las but ngara cha no kan dia ka no ka that's the question mo guri india to gure den to chala de no ta de pan gara yen sure cha ka no kan dial ka ka no. That's the question. Kama ka no kan dial tang kien ka ni kan gar. Kama cha ka no kan dial please mate mangi tin gor yang wana mabudi cha no kan dial chi kan nen. Rame dande rame la ne ti ko la lar ka nga un ne chi wa ngwe ma kam ka chi ka chuk tin tram ti yar ka ne ti ko la yor ti la yar nga ka ti la wo ngwe ma kam ka tram ti yar ka so you don't know much go yen ko la ro yen ka ngam lo ro de mu ma si go je gore wona ne bi yoro ka whatsapp bi ku nga wona ne che wodi en ma kam njana de la yen no ga de to an mate ma nga shika ma kam ba di yelo I don't have a clue. I don't have no information about ma kam che wodi wala me mati ko clue ba mal ma di long kwar mal ma ga long kwar ga de to an Gadera Atoan. Matika information about Gadera Atoan did in. So I need just help to know. Can Wara they need to know can me hoka show no wala badri wala Wara Romata Mangashi ka makam and Chatimuchangastin. Wala Machatimuchangaitin. I need to know exactly. Chica Joy can dial, Joy can dial. Ko kon ton wala pal ne ma cha ko kon wala yum ni chi piu mu chana wone ne che ji bar mi me akon mere ya gwa bana we ya gwa la guna tar ka do gor na je wo ngara cha ka nan ka ma ka ma kichi ka bun kan dial ka tang ken bun la go do bana la gor na man wo pegde a chi la pen kon do cha gwa ba cha gwa lo no gor na do man pegde a kon cha la mer ka kon tar ba kon la ye da ka do bana o bana ron cha la gwa do la guk ni bana got na je na ne wo ne ngara kan dial kan tin nothing ba chi la chi do chi ti mi la na ngai ba chari nga so gwon na je ngara ka ni ka chungu mi chitwo ka ma ka ma ka rawo ngo ka we ga jamo ka ma ka ga no ngo ka ga no ngo ka ma ka ga no ngo la rewo okay ka ma kan ya ta ga tin shan kwas en barai basic mi cha gora shan ko cha wo kan ya la kan tin but then point da che ba meta confirmation mi cha nga che wo kan tin je mi agora shan ko is fine but matela ka balara jana ci bum no gona bana wo kana tin ka tira ma gwa ma ngai ka kai sha wo lo gwa na ma gwa mi ci wo ngan ce wo ka gar kana tin ko ka gor mi na wala ma ka gor gar ya la cha ka no ka dan baro cha ka kan ya la ma na gar ma cha ka no tira ma ci gor ka gor ba ka news ka je ka radio tamaz ka je ka ni ka ce jana ai radio mu ra ka fi dolara mi nan ki dolara ya won yan mi wuya ka dolara ce dor ma dolar mi da na la gwa ga ta da fanyi dolara ya dor ma gor ka wodi yo pinya de me da la chama yo Uganda ka chama yo Kenya ka wuya na kan so je na na ngache che je ka ra ira dio ta ga right min minan baden ku ka ga na tile ma che je ka ma ka me dia so yene da kon boda te mo ga ma yene tin please la gwara na ga ka biya na jo ne ga ra ka na tin kan dia ka jin sure chu bag bina bala dor ka dong chi jina sure a jende la ne yin wana manangan chai bala dor ka chinga na sure la na mangan sure jan kwala jo ngana singa na sure ka jan lakin gorna ja kon dia thank you Mary Rot thank you gorna kon dia gorna ka kane kon ka gan mana kon gorna ka rawda min de dian chelem rajo yen siang ne ti ko la las ke propaganda wala ya ki ne kurme kuranga I will have yan wana ti kon cha mislead I will have a show tomorrow ka TikTok on the doll kenyara. I will have tomorrow some answer, some question and some answer. So $100 wala me cho ya tiang cho wana ka yo ti kur ti ken na badak ken di jen badak. So cho waka ken di jen badak ken na badak ken na badak ken di kur badak al muhim cho waka kur badak. So cho waka kur badak runo amola ka dong bala alif. So la weke. Ko last week me dane no right around dollar 75 ne dane 750. Tada fancha waka 800. So again ande la dollar when yal. So Rai Maton, Makel Sang, Rai Maton. Rai Maton, we need to be wake up and be ahead of the enemy. Ngala ta ahead of the enemy ka 3 step, ka 2 step. That's the way who I am. Chala ta jo la ta ka ahead of the enemy in 3 step. But at this moment, charam yala ninte kono wona ne jete want to chala me. That's why I'm behind a little bit. But chata ka behind a long, but ta ka behind a little bit. Chata ka behind a long. So maybe I'm front of them with 1 step. Lakin mungu roka ye wo kon dial. Then at enemy ka 4 to 6 step. Ban la tan nyam na ngai ne je wo ngum chele la wala me ko ngum bele run bana la analyze de ngu de ngwantar kare na la bana la analyze de ngwantar ngu de kare na la. That's why bana kula te like 4 step ka 3 step ahead of him je ndi la riyo no kon dia la tan kan nyam de in 3 step ka 4 step ne de kon en wiyan ne te ga garma charma ma gitar ko te ko garma charma tar ka re jikai katilo kor garma charma tar ka dijango di mal mu galo tilo kor garma charma tar re loka tilo kor garma charma tar ka panga tilo kor garma charma tar ka rejikan is just a different kuna gag na rodian aran tila ba na bidio kor garma char kor na ni to ko na ka 2013 gang na rodan la na to chang bana be tere chang bana be ni mal ba matin mane tino gada lakin kor tar na go gang na rodan ana na gang rama na man gang rama na gwan tira mu de mirji jina guna ka mo na ka so me tar ja ka nasar ta ka asbab run ba waitin run ka mi shala tiktok run ba waitin ka woni me tar ka je kor ka nasar man me to ka je gang ji nasar na rodian tila kor ma mat ka fa ne je ma kor ayi wono gang ji nasar na rodian ja ta ka na kana ka mai ka kwanas ka mai ka reinas ka mai ka bai ni ka na ka mi dol tu yin ma bai no ka mai ka na ka suk ka dan ga ngwa cha na kam yin chen cha na kam ti sha den mai ka manas to me shi ka tuwa kai ne kon lo ka ji nasar ta dolon ba dwel gora dolon mai ko bana be dwel gora ka to pya ko bana ne to ma ka redi ne ndina wala ge dolon ma ta chi man it's a part of the case yana kila bu la no la ke na tare nan te wi ayo te gar ma ke ko kan do ra ken ko ba ji na wi mon and one case point de lo and wo case lo ngu jen lo ka yes mi na na ro da no case yana gele mi na na ro da che won ne di case yana le ne je wo case ya do re ma cha ko ta na da kon mo ye mislead kon kwa na la na mo ka na mislead case re ma cha no case che case re ma cha case survivor lui ni joke case go anyuru karo adu majin ngi ma mo che explain to nasar wo case che case to ga na dor ka nasar che dungar ma cha te gar ma cha mi na jo wa kor ka tila kor gar ma cha ta ka tila ayu mi kina jo wa kor ayu te na ka berek na ka ita ga kor ka wai da min wani ta ga mani chin ta dol me ana bu dol gor ka dol me a bar me ana tu yin ka ra ka gat ka ching me ur me a mai ke che ga gat ka ya che ga mai ga re kal ka nyir ya ma ja nang re kal so it was very mess cha masakan ne dan na gona ba na sar masakan ko ke lo kujo ga ciwa ta warga goro ji nasar let us make correct kuna me yin kon bode ko re ma cha warga me nya na yam ki ko wa ta ka gwar warga ji nasar aka joji me shine go je mata ka nasar wo ta ko je go ko jen tile pai da me je ne ka je no ne je ta ma cha ka na ko je dul mo woje cha gam je ta kel na ga 10 years cha na jo 10 years kina rongara je ke 10 years kina chui na ga jen de me a jen ne non ko re no the same thing ka panga the same thing ka re loka and what they do me woje shine go ro na me ko jen sianga na je de tile maye de tile yoto kabe de tile me je ka je mai ne na chama ne nyinas ka shina ta dore abri dor shop dunga ta spele wal ta na do de wo ta na dor ka dor shop dor je shop te ka yo dor je shop te ka mai na ka de ngu na mai na ba ku la ngai di wo de no ka jen mai na ka le ka je na ya kuma mai na mai re mai ka maman mai ka maga ta ta spele wal ta ba na spele wal ne kon kweje rama askari manu tina ka jibu da fanyin larga ku ja spele wal askari kera askari da botul yutu ka be la da ga je kor kielo bi baile talimat bi kor bi ga talimat cikon ti shek ko da fanyin ka jibu asa ka kon te mandake cikon ti shek ko tu mi shek chama do kwara kyang ka sha ko ki dor shop an kwara ken kon kul te yu aken konaken aken te wa ila yarar aken nal ta na cikala nal ata spele Kan on the one reaching pizza more pizza. Ramil ke medan kan de ganyo bil ke mi de wal. Rana de ganyo bil ga chi ote na ke ber, chi ote na ke yo ti ala de na nyo ke mi e sharp. Jene lo ke jina sara. Ka je lo ke ji panga. Ka je lo kre lo ka. En wo kono wo cha ko ni ti cha wo to ke ku mo ke dor chup. Ti na la independent. Kwa yo de cha mata na ka ta na chi ke yo kwa ku ne bu ba na nyo mi. Mi ka ma gat ken. Ko de ti yo. Tere na te de ti yo mi ka ma gat ken. E jina sara. Mi ka re no ra ma gat ken. Ajen je de la ni je. Ra jaran mi kap ke yo lar ke shin ken thal ke shin ra jana re nuora wona me cham ngane ni nuora ba ga cham ni nuora bi mane, and that's our problem. I have to yo go am right thing long ka jen pa me ka jen go kore me akam dan ke jang kore me che kam dan che kam chung ni ko ni chi ni na nuora ka na jang ne na ka to kon to ku jana bana ka la bo ba ka la jang chi ka ba ka la nuora. Yin makir nga je ka disappear ke 3 days mial, ka disappear ke 3 days 3 day waja jar wai pan na je ka disappear ma makir je na ka lo ni jaw and wala ma right na on 15 jar wai ke on 14 tiam jar wai ke on 13 jar wai ke on 12 jar wai ke on 11 ka disappear telle disappear ma chawotin jar wai wo gor ke video na ka makir ke je ka wo gor ke tade ngan je disappear ke 3 day o jere ki disappear ke 3 day ka disappear ke 3 days pan jar pan na je jar so a disappearing audience maladi monial chal gini al ke chal let me see ko biwa gara ara de pan a disappearing audience ladi mo ka disappear kiri goro ke ka disappear kiri goro ke mial so kiri ka goro news ka disappear ta ka 3 day ta rush mana wala bara ta fan ke 15 minutes ka disappear so at least makiri je na ke yeah, I call no no queen ne chai bi jo ne ga a talk ne go ka I don't know. Call you try to come here and create agitation thing a muskala. Muje to ba je ba. To dear thing. Yele ko dem biya ko mana ma agora call biya gu cho. To dear thing muje to ba je ba. Muje to ba lin. There is nothing I call, there is nothing new. Chiro gora I call a cage. There is nothing new, my friend. Okay, young my enemy. There's nothing new, my enemy. So you write the che liu kar liu, it doesn't matter. But el liu bachan ke liu wale. So which a war is between Nuer and Dinka. You like it or not, and that's the war. The war is between Nuer and Dinka. Tomorrow I will have a presentation in what you call in TikTok, and then I will go elaborate more. The war is between Dinka and Nuer. Take it or leave it. If you don't want to take it, it's up to you. If you won't take it, it's up to you. So it's up to you. You want to take it, take it. You don't want to take it, it's up to you. I cannot convince you that telling you, oh, war is not between Nuer and Dinka. No, and you cannot convince me. War is between Dinka and Nuer. No, there is no war between IO and government. You liar. You don't have to lie to me. I'm a grow up man. I'm not a young man. I'm a grow up man. You cannot lie to me. There is no war between IO and government. Are you saying Nuer is IO and Dinka is government? And that's what you mean? You mean Dinka is the one you call government of South Sudan and the Nuer is the one you call IO? It's still the same. It's still you playing around. It's still you playing around. If you call IO is Nuer and you call government is Dinka, you're still playing around. So don't worry. So I'm not gonna respond to you a lot because I know who you are and I know what is your intention. And war is between Dinka and Nuer. And I want all Nuer to understand very well. Our war in South Sudan between Dinka and Nuer. Dinka killed Nuer in 2013 door to door. And Dinka is still killing Nuer until today. Dinka killed Nuer in Nasser. Do the bombardment in Nasser, bomb Nuer villages, and bomb Nuer markets, bomb Nuer everywhere. The Dinka use Uganda, and Dinka use the rest of the idiot South Sudanese. The idiots South Sudanese, they use them to be a shield. It's like if I'm wearing now a proof bullet, if I'm wearing now or bulletproof, if I'm wearing that one now, and then I get shot, and then he protect me, that's mean I'm protected with a bulletproof. So it's the same. All those who was Dinka, they're just protecting Dinka interests. So I don't call them Nuer, I call them Dinka. Yeah, if they are dead, it's fine. So they will die anyway. One day they will die. So what will you cannot agitate me? One day they will die. So what? Do you think they will? Even you too, you will die one day. Do you think you're not gonna die one day? Call, I will block you, and I will block you later because I don't need you not come here to agitate me. They will die one day, or if they didn't die now, they will die one day. So no, you're wrong. Even that's the stupid Dinka. We know them. There is no Dinka in Iowa. Iowa, there is no Dinka in Iowa is a lie. There is no Dinka in Iowa. Iowa, they have Equatorians and Nuer, the marginalized people in Iowa, but there is no Dinka in Iowa. All Dinka are in government, so you don't have to come and lie to me. So I don't need lie. I see you have the Sudanese, but maybe you from Abyei, and Abyei has been taken by Jalaba. If you're from Abyei, maybe that's why you have a Sudanese plaque, and it doesn't bother me. Yeah, I will block him. Yeah, I will block this guy. Yeah, don't worry, I'll block him. Don't worry. It's just let him write for now that we will know him. So I'll block him. So don't you guys don't worry about that. So the war is between Nuer and Dinka. You like it or not? You don't like it, it's up to you. Kur akam Nuer kanajang. And I have too many evidence. And I have too many things. It happened in my eyes. I don't hear it. I just don't hear it. I didn't come to the United States to hear in the United States while I'm sitting in the United States and say, oh, they have a war in South Sudan. No, I was there. I was there. And I know when did it start. And I grew up in South Sudan. I grew up in Sudan and South Sudan, both of them. Ngan pia the ka South Sudan, kan Sudan kan was the pia. So shinga bilari sorry dung Sudan ewal, me mana ka shinga bilari sorry dung South Sudan. Tatin kan dia. Chi jitirangan ka merka malora mataka merka me ngan liangan ka chawe. Tatin an kor ga de mete tin an kor. Ga de to ante kor. Ga de to an kor me to ta ga de to ante tin tatin. It's not something easy. It's not something we write. Nigga, gonna believe you don't want la ne nigga we a lot of go na right. No, it's not. Ka go na mong. No, it's not. Tine tin ko. Wo kam no ra kana jang ne. So guarding intend the country go be mislead to go because I lie. It's not a war between Dinka and Nuer, it's between government and Iowa. No, you cannot mislead my kids. I'm not your brother. Don't call me brother, Denton. I'm not your brother. I don't have no relationship with Dinka. I'm not your brother. I'm not your brother. What I was answering you, I was telling you that you think that way. You think the government is Dinka and you think the Iowa is Nuer. It's you the one thinking that way, not me. Don't twist it. Don't twist it like this. You the one say it. The government is Dinka and the Nuer is Iowa. You the one twist it. Don't twist it. You the one say it because you Dinka. You the one write it. So what I was telling you here, you don't have to come here and twist the stuff and try to twist the stuff, try to in an intelligent way, try to collect information. Intelligent is what Deng Tong say. You're not gonna get me. I don't worry about what you say. So what I was saying here, the war in South Sudan is a tribe war. It's between Dinka and Nuer. Period. Who is behind Dinka is supporting Dinka agenda. So Shulu, whatever, they're supporting Dinka agenda. Who is in Dinka side, they're supporting Dinka agenda. Okay? It's like when the time of slavery in the United States, time of the slavery in the United States, they have the slave who was fighting in Confederacy side, and they have some slave who fighting in the other side, and both slave die in both sides, and they are slave at the time. Did they write history about them? No. Did they say that the slave win this city? No. They just say the 16 country or federation win this state, and then they say the one who bring the state is President la la la, and the food general is from the white person. They say he's the one that break this state. That's it. But who fight the war? It's the slave. Did the slave have a name? No. Did they count how many slaves did they kill? No. But they kill how many white people they kill in that war. But they didn't count the slave. The same thing in war in South Sudan. They count Denka who kill in the war, but they don't count the Nuer. Even Nuer count recently. Nobody talk about them. They don't count them. Ma basibu Nuer katolo fi harib, bas basibu Denka mat fi harib. Basibu yal Denka mat fi harib, general, shawish, police, mat fi harib basibu. Lakin yal Nuer bimu ma fi zol basibun. Yal equatorial mato fi zol basibun. في الإكواتوريا ماتوا في ناصر، في الإكواتوريا ماتوا في حرب، في جنجولة، في الإكواتوريا ماتوا حسبهم، ما في زول حسبهم ولا في زول شغال بهم، ولا أسماء ما فيش ذاته في بيلفام ذاته، بس أسماء جابوه من هلا ولقطوهم وخطوه أسماء بتقدر ما فيشين في بيلفام، ماتوا ساكت. لأنه الناس اللي بس هارونو قتلوهم، لو قتلوا شاويش تاع بيقولوا عاد في ناس قتلوا في حرب. لو قتلوا شاويش بتاع دينكا بيقولوا لا في ناس فلاي في شاويش قتلوا في حرب. لكن لو قتلوا شاويش بتاع نوير، شاويش بتاع إكواتوريا، شاويش بتاع بلندا، شاويش بتاع زاندي، شاويش ما بيحسبوه. كانوا ما في زول مات، ما بحسبوهم. شاويش بتاع دينكا، شاويش بتاع دينكا ما بحسبوه. لو هسه قتلوا شاويش بتاع دينكا هسه في حرب ده كانوا ولا قاموا لك ولا قتلوا ولدنا ريست ان بيس، قتلوا ولدنا بيلفهم كل يجي ويخطوا في صندوق ويودوا في بحر غزال ويمشي يودوا في بور، يمشي يودوا في على النيل، بمشي بدفنوا ولا قتلوا يالنا كده. لكن لو قتلوا من اكواتوريا لا، ما قتلوا زول. لو قتلوا من نوير ما قتلوا زول. قتلوا من زاندي ما قتلوا زول. قتلوا زول من بلندا ما قتلوا زول. قتلوا زول من كاكوا ما قتلوا زول. قتلوا زول من شلوك ما قتلوا زول. لكن لو قتلوا دينكاو قتلوا ناس. جنوبين قتلوا. واي جنوبين قتلوا. واي جنوبين قتلوا. ده قتلوا دينكاو. but لو قتلوا باقي الناس لا ديل ما جنوبين. And that's what I will talk about it this week. يا وانا بكلم به، يا انا بكلم به بيننا اننا مع دينك لو قاعدين ما في بيس. انتوا تتكلموا فوقه في جنوب السودان. اننا مع دينك ده there is no peace. انا مع دينك white army ونوير ما عندنا peace مع دينك. لان دينك started we have to finish it. دينك started we have to finish it. Before Nuer started and Denka come take over. But this time, Denka started, Nuer will take over. That's fine. You just try to bother me. So that on there نقول لكم إنه نحن نحن نكون ناس معروفين في الجنوب. لازم إنتوا تعملوا حاجة we will be there. So أنا بس ده نقول لكم إنه السجن الناس اللي كان سجنوهم الليلة ده ما في أي أخبار، ما جابون في محكمة ولا جو. أنا ما عندي خبر كويس. لو أنت عندك خبر كويس ناس ده جابون في محكمة الليلة وفي شنو حاصل، لو أنت من وير بليز حاول رسل لي رسالة وريني ناس جابون في محكمة الليلة كلهم. لو ما جابون كلهم let us look. أنا ما منعين نخليهم كده. let us go look after ناس ده وين. حتى لو بتكره ناس، حتى لو ديل نوير، حتى چنگ لوكر چنگ chicken nok lakin ga ganora tan wike wona ne to chikala na bat ga ganora gorna gan mana kon kanika ne to lwa amane te kon amane ndis for gwe ne ndis ko yino wala ya ngaw ka ngaw din ne ndis no ne ndis ba ka fa lakin to ba kana gon ni chena kanika bulo me wang panga na kanika paura te kon ne cha ka dor ga ma cha ora to ra te kon ja yen do ga ma cha kanika ga mana te kon ne cha yen du ban te kon kanika ga no de kon a per ka no lo ra cha yen cha we ka ji mu ka kanika ne de kon ja yen ka bulo house kanika again go kon Don't worry, staying in America, staying in Australia, staying in Canada, it doesn't bother me. Revolution is a revolution. You cannot change anything. My friend, I'm not a stupid. Let me tell you, I will laugh at you because you, the stupid one. What brought you to my show? You, the stupid one. I don't care about you. And you will never convince me. So why are you wasting your time coming to my show? You're wasting your time. Now, Jeng Anan, my cousin, I will never accept them. So I will never accept them. We don't have nothing to connect us with Dinka. So you go and buy. I will block you, both of you later. You and the other guy, I'll block you later after I finish my show because always I finish my show and block because I don't want to disturb myself. I cannot. I don't want to do it. And now I'm just disturbing my show. I will block you after I watch. After I finish after I done my message. Sorry, after I done my message, and then I will across my message to my people, and my people understand my message, and then I will later on delete you and block you. So I will do that. It's nothing easy. That's my show. So thank you so much, all of you, and just kon gan ora wana gur ko gan mana kon kanika. Te kon e chayen ke la gar mashar, te kon e chayen ke te ayen ka sigi te baba nan ke las oras na gar mashar ka kan mana kon ho yal kanika. Ka tin te kana wani. Gen mana wo gore gen. We don't need peace in South Sudan. Peace in South Sudan, you the one who started. What kind of peace do you want? Yeah, Jamara Kwaraga, what kind of peace do you want? You the one who started killing people door to door. What kind of peace do you want? Did we start it? No. You the one who started killing people door to door. Did we start killing Denga door to door? No. Let me explain this to you. عشان انت ما زول انت جاهل انت زول ما فاهم خليني اقول لك حاجه هنا انت ممكن عشان تفهم شويه انا بكره هيكون لي شو ان شاء الله بكره في تيك توك. I want you to come tomorrow and come and listen لان انت ما بتفهم. انت ما بتفهم حتى لو انا قلت ما هتفهم لانه انت زول ما بتفهم. الجاهل اصلا ما بفهم. جاهل بناقش ما بفهم. انا داير اقول لك حاجه يا جاهل هنا اسمعني هنا كويس. لما كان حصل في السودان حرب حصل انقلابات. كان في انقلاب بتاع عبود. العلم اللي هسه علم بتاع السودان اللي فيه هسه حاليا انا بكره بفسره كويس. علم اللي فيه هسه حاليا the flag that we have in Sudan is not the independent flag. Flag بتاع independent بتاع أسهري اللي كان عملوا بها independent لون بتاعه براو. If you want me tomorrow after I finish those show I will bring it next week. So I will no. There is need to block them because they are not coming to listen. They're just coming to distract me. I don't like them because they distract me. It's not about they can listen if they want to listen. Even if I see their name, it doesn't matter. But they're distracting me. They're saying some that I don't want to. They're trying to distract my show. That's why I will block them. If they come and listen, a lot of them now they're listening. Even national security they're listening. But I don't block them. So when it happened in Sudan, my stupid guy, let me tell you, or a stupid girl who you listen and you don't know the history. You don't know the history. Aboud is the first president of Sudan when the Sudan was won. And then Ashari, so Ashari is the president. Then Aboud come and did coup to Ashari. When the coup is happened, Aboud take over. Aboud didn't change the flag. And then Nimeri come in 1969, did a coup to Aboud and change the flag that the Sudan have now. But my question to you, Mr. Jahil, Mr. Foolish Man, my question to you, Mr. Foolish Dinka, my question to you, did Aboud kill Ashari family? Did Aboud win and kill Ashari tribe because of that coup? No. And then come to all 5 government of Sudan, even Bashir, they all coup, but nobody killed somebody's family. Dr. John Garang and William Nyon went to the bush. Did they kill their family? Did they kill their hometown people? Because of William, because of John Garang, they didn't kill them. Did they kill the civilian or board door to door in Malakal, in Juba, in Khartoum, in Madani, wherever they are. And so, did they kill Bor door to door? No. Why they didn't kill Bor? Say, oh, Bor, because Bor are. Even they have a minister from Bor in Sudan at the time. Even Abdelalir was still working government of Sudan. Why they didn't kill Abdelalir? Because Abdelalir is belonging to Bor tribe. Nobody killed. But why do you, if it's not Nuer and Dinka, why are you killing Nuer civilian door to door? What happened? What kind of thing is that? If it's not a hatred, if it's not a war between Nuer and Dinka, why are you killing Nuer door to door? If you are smart, if you are Dinka, if you think Nuer are stupid, Nuer are not stupid. No matter you play, yes, we will have a stupid people, we have a like-minded people, every community is like that. Even Dinka, they have Dinka foolish. Even like you, the one riding. They have Dinka foolish. They have a Dinka stupid. That is there. Even they have a Nuer who don't know exactly what happened. Try to think, oh, this one is done like this. No, it's not. So, my friend, Hajana Bogululek, Fingila about country Sudan. So, don't come here and waste your time with Deng Tong. Deng Tong is not a young guy. He doesn't come yesterday. He doesn't born yesterday. Deng Tong is a man. I attend 70s, I attend 80s, I attend 90s. I'm not born in 90s. I born in 66. Put that in your mind. I'm not a little boy. I'm not a little man. I just didn't get the history from the top. I went back to Sudan. I worked in Sudan government. I worked in South Sudan government, and I work in the U.S. government too. I'm not here just to waste my time with you. It's fine. I'm a coward, yes. For Dinka, I'm a coward. Yeah, it's fine. Tell me I'm a coward, it's fine, but I will block you. Tell me coward, tell me anything, but I will block you. Tell me coward, call me Dan Tong is not a good guy. Tell me Dan Tong is this. I'm still gonna block you. Tell me any name. I didn't born in 2000. I didn't born in 1990. I born in 1966. I'm not a young man. I know all the history. I'm not a drunkard. I'm not a smoker. I'm not a homeless. I'm not a person. I'm not an educate. I'm an educated person. I read Arabic and English. I read my language Nuer. I speak even Dinka. So I'm not. Don't play with fire. You don't know who is Deng Tong. You just play with fire. Who know Deng Tong? Grow up with me even from Dinka. They know me here. They don't say nothing because they know who I am. You just don't know me. You just come here, young man, come and try to write thing about me, try to write, agitate. I'm not the man that you will agitate, my friend. I'm not the man that you agitate. They tried in a clubhouse. They tried in all social media to agitate me. I'm not the man that. Oh, then tell me if you are man, come to South Sudan. I was in South Sudan. Oh, then tell me if you are the really man, come to the front line. They have a man. They have many men in front line. What do you need me? What do you need me? I was in front line. And they have young men in front line. I have my kid in front line. What do you need from me? Nothing. So to motivate people is different. I'm doing my job too. So I'm not here to waste my time. I'm here to motivate my kid. I don't want my kid to live as a slave. I don't want my grandkid to go live in South Sudan like a slave. Dinka will slave them, and they cannot speak no language. Just they speak Dinka. No, my kid will speak my language. I don't want my kid to be like African American who they forget their language. It's just they speak English. And that's what you try to do in South Sudan. You try to make all the South Sudanese speak Dinka and forget their languages. Like what happened in Kenya. Some people forget their language. They speak Swahili and they speak Kikuyu. And Uganda, people forget their language, they speak Boganda. And that's what you want to us? They speak Boganda language. That's what you want to us? We can speak Dinka? No. We have our own language. We have Nuer language. We have to speak our Nuer language. We're not here to speak your language as a Dinka. No. That's what you try to do for my kids. But I will never let you do it. This, I will never let you do it. If I'm still alive, I'm gonna let you do it. I have to fight Facebook war, war in the ground, war somewhere. I have to fight. I have to fight for survival. I'm not fighting for. I'm fighting for my kid to survive. I'm fighting for the newer generation to survive. I'm not fighting for myself because Nuer are scattered everywhere. Nuer torodo, Nuer gadin fi mukhayama, dinga gadin fi juba. I'm fighting for Yalta Nuer اللي ما زول حتى لو زول عنده بي اتش دي ما بلقى شغل. حتى لو نويراوي انتهى في يوغندا في كينيا ماشي يفتح شغل ويجي ما بلقى شغل. I'm fighting for them that they can have an equal opportunity في South Sudan لو بيجينا في South Sudan. أو South Sudan كان يقسموه عشان كل زول يمشي يكون فري في محله. كله قريب يشوف شيء بتاعه. بعدين كل زول يكون فري. زي جرود لازم يكون في شيء كله قريب بيكون مبسوط. South Sudan will be divided. Mark my word. Dinka thought it's a joke. South Sudan one day will be divided to many countries. And Dinka will know they are the cause of dividing South Sudan. Dinka, there's a mara there talak, umanyu malbam shifogo. Dinka, there's a mara al there talak, umanyu malbam shifogo. فيمشي كلام لا راجل ده طلقني ولا راجل ده راجل ما كويس لما الجنوبيين كله يزهوا منا كون بعدين بتيجي يكونوا لا جنوبيين طلق ما دايرين انا جنوبيين قال دينك ما كويسين ايه يا بديتو you the one started hitting people you the one started hitting people so they are then اقول لكم South Sudan will be disintegrated in the future and mark my word Equatoria will go because Equatoria they get tired people of Upper Nile will go people of everywhere will go because everybody getting tired of Dinka and Dinka will believe it alone. Dinka will be left alone. شوف هسه في أبي هسه ماشي أبي شعره خلاص أبي بيجي جلابة دليل كورك ولا إننا جلابة قال لا أبي ما يسوي أبي ما يدخل في شوية جنوب. Now في أبي ولا إننا ياهو the victim become people of أبي. The Dinka will fight again for them no. Self كير أمر نيم قال ده Dinka. Who fight for أبي before? Is Dr. Machar في السجن ده. He's the one fight for Abiy before. He went to hit. The Fakir went to heck for the court, for Abiy court. The Torek Machar went there and defend Abiy. But the Fakir went there. So that's what I was telling you. Thank you so much all of you. أنا ماشي جوا الزمن تاعي انتهى. أنا ماشي جوا ما شغل ونشوفكم إن شاء الله بكرة. بس كده فتشوا يلا ديل قاعدين وين. And let me go block those Dinkas and Dinka supporter. Let me go block them and God bless you all. Thank you. And give me final thumb. Thank you so much. All Nuer who are here, give me a thumb, give me a thumb, give me a thumb, give me a thumb. Mosha Katham, Mosha Katham, Mosha Katham, Gadid, Mosha Katham, Gadid, Mosha Katham, Mosha Katham. So it's good to see you guys. Thank you so much. It's good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you so much. Motion Katham, you know already Motion. Good to see you. We will talk about the history by this week all this week. I will talk about the history after tomorrow. I will talk with those young people at the TikTok. Tomorrow I have a show. I will go talk to young people about they have some question that they want to ask me about it. And the show maybe will be mixed Arabic and English in Nuer. I believe so. Tomorrow I will mix the three languages and I will take any question tomorrow. If you are willing to come and listen tomorrow in TikTok, I will have in evening time. I think in evening time or maybe earlier than this time. So just look down there. You will find my name is down there is James. You will find it or find the rest of the people. And I'll see you tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow, and God bless you, and God bless all Nuer people.